Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. What an amazing, awesome day. Hey, don't forget that you are now talking to the special ed professor, and I am giving you words that you are going to use in a sentence today, words that you are going to make yourself sound more intelligent just by changing the word. Like, for instance, the word perplexed, not being able to understand. I want you to use the word befuddled, because that's the word for today. So befuddled is that feeling when you walk into a room and forget, hey, why you're there. And the older I get, the more befuddled I feel, because that happens to me all the time. I walk in and I'm going to get something and can't remember why I'm there. I just stand in the doorway or looking like, just a lost puppy trying to find a comb. Another way you could explain it, imagine your brain is a computer and someone's just opened 37 tabs, started playing 3 YouTube videos all at once, and then maybe spilled coffee on the keyboard. That, my friend, is befuddled. And so when you think about today, as you're going through and you're seeing somebody who just got that look of daze in their eyes, look at that, what's going on? You go, are you befuddled? And they'll go, no. And then you say, well, do you know what that means? And they'll say, no. And then you'll be able to explain it to them. That look that you have in your eye right now, I can tell you're befuddled. All right, you guys have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.